The day has come where
Josh needs to be in front of the camera.
I'm in front of a camera for once.
Stop the world, baby.
A lot of downhill stuff, so definitely the difference. Got the Optimum OEP pads right here. We replaced them about 2 years ago, and then we're just putting a fresh set on since we're getting some new rotors.
I mean, mainly you can kind of see how it's kind of like this, I guess, like reflection. I mean, it's just, I don't know how to explain it. It's a glaze, bro. You look at glazed donuts, dude. When you're looking at glazed donuts, dude, that's what you're when you're driving, I mean, you just feel like if you're hitting the brakes, you're getting that pulsating feeling. Usually something's going on with the rotors or the pads. In this case, most likely, just a lot of material buildup on these rotors. And plus, these are like, I think 2022s when we did his rotors and pads. 3 years, pretty good. Start working off the lower arm.
How are you lifting it?
No way.
Come on, Josh.
All that jiu-jitsu.
All that gym at SEMA, dude?
No way.
Experience over strength.
All right. Rotors, pads, Paul's used tires. Thanks to this guy.
Get this pile of shit out of here.
Thanks to BC Motorworks for letting us use the shop all day. Lower arms from Super Pro. R1 Concepts Slotted Rotors and Pads. OEP pads. Oil change. And I took Paul's old tires on his trail grapplers. Or I took Paul's tires off his FJ. And I got trail grapplers now. So I'm gonna get this thing aligned. And then we got a camping trip at the end of the month. We're gonna take this thing out and, you know, hopefully nothing breaks. A lot more to do still, but shout out to everyone that helped today. Shout out this guy right here. Thanks, Rex.
Welcome, Josh.
Thanks to that guy. The best. The best. And these guys. BC Motorworks. Anything motor vehicle related. Right here. Trusted. That's a wrap.